A real downpour in the middle of Bryan and here at the KAG studios about 30 minutes ago, but there's some bright sunshine back now. We did get up to 95 degrees this afternoon. It cooled down to 91 after the shower moved through. None of it was picked up at Eastwood Airport, but it looked like we got about a quarter of an inch here at the KAG studios. It's 91 right now, still feels like 100. That's our current heat index with the humidity at 57%. Winds are out of the south at 11 miles per hour, so if you get in the shade, that breeze may cool you off a little bit, but it's pretty steamy, and the forecast for the weekend is feeling just about like today. 88 right now in Brenham, a shower moving into that area as well. Still 96 in Hearn, 92 in Caldwell, 91 in Madisonville, and 90 in Navasota. A few isolated showers also up around Bedice, east of Madisonville, over toward Huntsville, the one near Bryan, and a couple of other isolated showers near Brenham as well. That activity should diminish over the next hour as we head towards sunset. Widely scattered showers all along the Texas Gulf Coast, eastward into the lower Mississippi Valley, and finally out in West Texas. Some showers and thunderstorms around Lubbock and also northward near Amarillo up in the Panhandle as well. Now let's take a look out in the tropics because things are becoming more active. We have Tropical Depression Fred on the north coast of Cuba and a new Tropical Depression number 7 that has not been named yet because it has not reached tropical storm force, but it is moving toward the west-northwest and could impact southeastern United States coming up about 6 or 7 days from now. Fred will be affecting Florida earlier than that. Here's where Fred is right now, and if you look at the satellite animation, notice how the clouds are really blowing up that way. There's westerly and southwesterly shear over the storm, which is keeping it from being able to get organized. But we do expect Fred to get reorganized and once again become a tropical storm as it heads just west of the Florida Keys coming up tomorrow and Sunday. Moving northward, it could strengthen back up to around 60 miles per hour before it hits the Florida Panhandle and then moving up into the eastern United States. And the reason that we expect that northward turn is high pressure is pushed off to the east of the United States now, should allow for the northerly turn of the storm moving up toward Florida rather than over toward Texas. Also, high pressure is rebuilding over the west, and we're in between those two high pressure ridges, so in the weakness, moisture pools gives us a better chance of rain. That should continue through Tuesday. However, that high pressure is weakening out west, and the Atlantic high will be moving westward back across the Atlantic, so that means lower rain chances and hotter temperatures back by the middle of next week. But rain chances in the meantime will increase somewhat up to around 40% for Sunday and Monday with high temperatures around 92. But then rain chances drop off and we may see 97 or 98 degrees toward the end of next week. Now today is Friday the 13th and lots of folks kind of freak out when you talk about Friday the 13th. So I thought I'd give you a couple of freak out words. The fear of the number 13 is triskaidekaphobia, and the fear of Friday the 13th is paraskevidekatriophobia. You want to say those, Justin?
Not a chance.
Okay.
I'm scared already just to look at that.
I would just say cumulonimbus.
There you go. Class.